after Mr. Bear will tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we mustn't be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, kids. Come on.
What's going on?
Perhaps you'll talk about us.
The bear stories are always so interesting. Interesting like us.
Where is he? I don't see
I bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping.
I see it all here. Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. You're going to learn all about the goldfish.
This classic tale of greed and generosity took place in Korea many, many years ago.
Mother is terribly ill, and I don't have the money to buy her medicine. What am I gonna do?
98, 99, 100 yang of copper. That's it. Who is it?
It's little O-Doni, Mother.
O-Doni?
Is anyone home? I need a favor.
What do you want? Speak up.
I need to borrow 10 copper nyang to buy medicine for Mother.
What? Get lost. And don't bother us anymore.
Wait, what if I agree to a loan of 10 copper nyang and demand 100 in return? O-Doni, wait. Listen, I've decided to lend you the money.
Thank you, madam. My mother is very ill.
Oh, I feel so sorry for you. Here, take the money.
Thank you. But this is only 5
It's
yang.
enough for today. In return, you must furnish us with firewood for 100 days. 3 loads a day should suffice. If you prove to me that you can be trusted, I will lend you any sum you desire.
What? 3 loads for 100 days?
Is there a problem? Huh?
It would take too much time. My mother needs her medicine now.
That's not my problem, you little beggar. Give that back. Now stay out of my yard. What gratitude. I give you what you ask for, and you have the nerve to complain.
Woe is me. I'm so tired, but I must find the strength to go on and help my poor sick mother. I sold all the wood I could gather, but the money I was given in exchange doesn't amount to much at all. What am I gonna do with so little? I will never be able to help my poor mother. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't amount to much at all. What am I gonna do?
I've got an idea. boy Dungy, wait. I have to talk to you. I see you've sold your firewood. How much did you make? Well?
Very little, madam.
Come on, show me how much you've earned. You gathered that wood from the Rocky Valley, isn't that right?
Yes.
Give me that money. Give me that money. Very good.
Madam, please give it back. I need that money to help my mother.
Well, now it's mine. Yesterday, the Rocky Valley became part of my family holdings. We now own the valley, and you cannot go there to gather wood. Do you understand? Now get lost, you dirty beggar! Go!
Madam, I beg you, I need that money. Open up! Open up! Give me my money back! Give me my money back! Open up, please! I'm so tired, and I feel dizzy from hunger. I can eat this wild fruit. Oh no, it's better that I don't. Mama must be starving now. I'll bring it to her. I better get back to work. Oh, poor me.
What was that?
I don't know, Mother, but maybe it's best that I go and take a look. I'll be right back.
Oh, poor me. How will I ever be able to work without my axe?
Hey, you! Why are you crying? What could have happened that's so terrible?
I'm in lots and lots of trouble.
What kind of trouble? You know, sometimes things are not as bad as they seem.
I'm afraid this is very bad. One of the worst things that could have happened.
Come now. Why don't you tell me what the problem is? Maybe I can help you, my friend.
I've just dropped my axe into the lake, and I needed to cut wood to sell to buy medicine for my mother. She is very ill. We're so poor, we have no money at all, and now I don't know what to do.
Wait here. I'll take care of it. Mama, there's a little boy crying because he dropped his axe in the lake. Don't we have one?
Poor fellow. And why does he need an axe?
To earn money for his sick mother.
Well, if that's true, we have just what he's looking for. You can give him our golden axe.
Our golden axe?
Yes, of course. Bring it to him. Hurry up.
Here I am. I'm back. Here. This is for you.
A golden axe! It's beautiful! Thank you so much. But I'm afraid this isn't the one I dropped in the lake.
Don't worry about it. It's yours. Take it.
I'm sorry, I can't accept it. My axe was merely made of iron.
All right, then. I understand. I'll go down again and try and find your axe. Wait here.
Thank you.
Mama, I had to find the poor boy's axe. He wouldn't accept what didn't belong to him.
Is that true? Very well. Since this little fellow is so honest, return to him with the golden axe as a gift.
Yes, Mother. Here. Is this one your axe?
You found it.
Look it over. Make sure it's yours.
Yes, this is my axe for sure.
Great. And now I want you to take this one, too, as a gift.
No, thank you. I can't accept it. That axe is made of gold.
It's a gift from my mother to you as a reward for your honesty. There, take it. Farewell and good luck.
I can't wait to try this golden axe.
Hey, look, here comes O-Doni. Hey, what a beautiful axe you've got there, O-Doni.
Thanks. Mama! Mama, look! What's wrong? Look, I have a gold axe. A goldfish gave it to me as a gift. It's absolutely wonderful. I'm going to try it out right away. What in the world is going on? Son! Mother! How is it possible? What have we done to deserve this? I don't know, Mother. The gold axe did it all by itself. I can't believe it, but it's true. Mother, everything is so beautiful.
Mother! Mother, something incredible has happened.
Calm down. Take a deep breath and tell me what's
The
happening.
old shack of the woodchopper has been transformed into a beautiful house.
What are you talking about? Let me see for myself. What? I can't believe it. I must know how they did it.
Good morning, madam. Please come in. What can I do for you, madam?
How is it possible that your shack has been transformed into a beautiful house? How is that possible?
My son lost his axe in the lake, and a goldfish gave him a magical golden axe as a gift.
A magical golden axe? Will you hurry up?
I'm coming. Give me a second. I'm walking as fast as I can.
You're a real good-for-nothing. Come on, move it. This spot is perfect. Change your clothes. Hurry up. In this way, the goldfish will think you're a poor little woodchopper.
I'm cold. Can't I put something else on? Shh.
Shut up. It'll hear you. Start chopping some wood, then drop your axe in the lake. Do you understand?
Oh, stop. Of course I understand.
You can get started. There's no one around. Get up. You have work to do.
All right. Give me a chance.
Sit down. Look desperate. Start crying.
Oh, poor me.
What's wrong? Why are you crying?
Because I'm desperate.
What happened? Tell me.
I dropped my axe in the lake.
I believe this is your axe.
Mine was a golden axe.
Are you absolutely sure?
Oh, that's not my axe. Why in the world would I lie?
All right, my friend. Just wait here a moment.
I did it. So, do you still think I'm a good-for-nothing mother?
Don't move. Stay there and be quiet.
Is this your axe?
Yes, let me have it. Yes, it's mine. Hooray!
Where are you going? Stop!
A solid gold axe! It's all mine!
Stop! Give me that axe! Give it to me right now!
It's mine! The goldfish
Stop!
gave it
Give
to
me that axe right this minute!
It's mine! All
Give it to
mine!
me! Give it to me!
It's all mine!
Give me that! It's mine! It's real gold. What a shame it's not bigger and heavier. Oh, I wish it were much, much bigger.
It's getting bigger!
It's truly magical. It will make all my dreams come true. I want an enormous house made of marble with 99 rooms.
What's going on?
It's starting to work. I want a wonderful house, just like I deserve. One that is so big everyone who sees it will be jealous and in awe. It's starting to work. All by itself. Come on, let's go inside and get a better look. Ah! Oh, help! Help! What's happening? Oh, what's happening? Ah! Oh! Oh! Ah! In the end, they got just what they deserved. Greed and selfishness in the long run only brings one to disaster.
I hear sounds coming from the edge of the lake,
Who
Mother.
could it be?
I have no idea. Let me take a look.
Be careful.
Hello. What are you doing here?
I'm cutting wood for my fireplace.
Happy chopping. See you later.
Soon, I hope.
And so, even though his life changed dramatically for the better, O-Doni still remained an honest, hard-working young fellow. And once in a while, not to forget his humble origins, O-Doni would dress up in his old work clothes and go down to the lake to chop wood, always with the hope of meeting his new friend, the goldfish.
honest boy, O-Doni. And I'm very, very proud of you.
The goldfish. How is the goldfish classified in the animal kingdom? The goldfish belongs to the class of fish, the order of Cypriniformes and the Cyprinidae family. They're usually rather small, though when circumstances are favorable, they can grow as large as 50 centimeters in length. In spite of their name, they can be white or black or speckled. How many species are there, and where do they live? Goldfish belong to one single species, Carassius auratus, from which many different varieties have been bred, some with long, graceful, flowing fins and tails. The Carassius auratus originated in Asia and was first domesticated in China around the 3rd century AD. How do they live? They're sturdy animals that live happily both in aquariums and in ponds. They live in groups, and in the cold weather, when the temperature of the water drops below 10 degrees Celsius, they go into a sort of hibernation. How does it move? Like all fish, by swimming. What do they eat? They're omnivorous and have a varied diet. Insect larvae, small worms, crustaceans, mollusks, algae, and aquatic plants. How do they protect themselves? Goldfish are not very aggressive, and in aquariums they live quite peacefully with other species of fish. In open ponds, their only defense is fleeing. How do they relate to people? Very well, given that for over 1,000 years they've been the most popular of all ornamental fish. Can they live in the city? Yes, they can and do. Almost every lake and pond in a city is bound to have its decorative family of goldfish.
Well, have you all learned the lesson? The moral of the story is that sooner or later those who are greedy are always punished. Oh, look who's coming!